All right, so part B wants us to find P of 5. They don't want P prime of 5 yet, but they just want us to plug in 5 into the original function they gave us. So let's do that and talk about what that means, okay? P of 5 can be found by plugging in 5 into this original function. So on your scientific calculator, type that in and see what number you get, okay? When I type that in to my scientific calculator, I get 3,311.666666. Okay, that's what I get. Okay, 6 repeating. But remember, this wasn't, I think, thousands of people, right? Let's go back and read that part. They said the study found that the town's population can be modeled by this, measured in thousands of people. So I'm going to multiply our answer by 1,000 because a unit is in thousands of people. And that just means how many people are in this town. So I'm going to go down here. Ooh, hold on. I'm out of room, so I'll try to write down here. Okay, it's going to be ugly. But I'm going to multiply this answer by 1,000 or simply move this decimal 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3. And I'll round it to, oopsies, 1, 2, 3. And I'll round this to the nearest whole person, okay? So my final answer will be 3,311,667. Let's see how many people this is, okay? So a comma right here. A comma right here. Oh, look at that. 3 million people. 3,311,667 people are in this town. That many people live in this town 5 years from what? In 5 years. I'll just be general because they didn't really say like T years from like a certain year. They just said in like T years. So 5 years later, in 5 years, this town will have over 3 million people. Okay, so that's going to be the interpretation of my answer here. Now, I kind of invaded all the room for part C, but I'll do part C now. This time, they want us to find P prime of 5. Okay, so I'll do that now. P prime of 5, I can use the derivative function that we found over here. Let's plug in 5 in there. Negative 2 over 3 times 5 plus 64. All right, what's that going to be? Let me type this into my scientific calculator. Negative 2/3 times 5 plus 64. Okay, I got 60.6666 dot dot dot, so many sixes, but also this is in thousands of people, remember, so I will multiply by 1,000, move the decimal place 3 to the right because 1,000 have 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So I'll say my answer is 60,666, but what? 60,666 people per year. Okay. Remember, derivative is about the change, the instantaneous change at this year. So what we can say is in 5 years, 5 years later, notice this number 60,000, the 60,666 is positive, right? This is a positive number. So we can say something like the population of this town is increasing, it's going up by 60,666 people per year. in 5 years. Okay, that's what we can say. If this answer comes out to be negative, we can say that the population is decreasing by that number per year. But that's how you can find P of 5 and P prime of 5 and interpret the answers.